Check out this galvanized steel wall mount mailbox. My husband just installed this at his parents' home. This mailbox is built to last. It's crafted from heavy-duty galvanized steel, plus the smooth black finish is not only sleek, but also powder-coated to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring it looks great for years to come. You can also choose this in white as well. This mailbox has a medium capacity, which is perfect for my in-laws who gets a mix of mail. It can accommodate magazines, small padded mailers, and envelopes. And let's not forget about convenience. It comes fully assembled, so installation was a breeze and saves so much time and hassle. Depending on how you will install it, whether it's against wood, brick, or stucco, you might need a drill bit, 2 screws, and anchors too. It weighs about 3 pounds and measures approximately 9 3/4 inches in height, 16.5 inches wide, and 4.5 inches deep. I also love the modern appearance of this mailbox. It's got plenty of space for address numbers, making it easy for mail carriers to find. Plus, it adds a touch of style to the front of their home. If you're in the market for a durable, stylish mailbox that's easy to install, I highly recommend this one. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.